All right, guys. So you can side slide on the boom now. So you want to go to the next step. You want to make it look good. This is after you side slide like 20 to 30 hours on you. Spend so much time on your foot. You're so bored of doing what you do on the boom. Now we want to move to the short line, right? So my setup is a high boom, really high boom, with a extension on and a short line. If you really have some trouble, just go just the normal 5 foot really high boom. If you really have more trouble, you go, if your boom can't go that high, just go with an easy footer. You take an easy footer, it's about this length, and you just go straight off that. Then you can't fall, you just spin around, keep tumbling. Well, my boom's high enough, so I'm going to show you how to start in a side slide. It's basically the same principle. Take your 1 foot, you turn around, you set it down, and you slowly add your weight onto it with your foot, all the weight getting off, and then you just drag. I'm going to show you in this one how to put the foot down, slowly lift it up, and I'm going to show you how to pop into it. If you want to pop into it, you take the handle, got it out here, you just go normal skiing stance, and you pop straight. All your weight goes onto that foot, this hand comes off, and you just glide it. Ski with one hand because it makes for easier stability on the short line. All right, let's go. Alright, even though the water was a little bit chippy on that run, I still went in straight. If you commit to the side slide, there's no way you can take a crash. Alright, you got to get into the side slide, make sure your foot goes past 90 degrees. If it's past 90 degrees, you'll keep sliding on. The other thing is when you're popping into it, you've got to pop that hip up. You've got to keep it locked in. You don't notice it as much when I pick my foot up and set it down, because I set it down, but as soon as all my weight goes onto it, my hip locks into that position. That keeps you sideways, because the worst thing that can happen is it pulls you back to the front and your heel catches. That's when you take a face plant. So, key trick is commitment. Next up. What you're gonna feel when you're doing side slides, if you're starting to do it right, your foot starts to light up right about there, and that means you're gliding in a smooth spot. That's when your foot just going zzz over the water. Now, if it starts sliding up, that means you're getting to the point where you're tired. Don't try side slides when you're tired. Just refresh yourself, come in the next day, and restart the set. On the short line, you just you go into the boom, you practice popping in on the boom, practice where you're that comfortable. You can go low, you can go high, you can go side to side. Whatever you have to do, you can always hold the side slide. That's how you know you can side slide.